Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try, you just can't focus? You sit down to work, but 5 minutes later, you are checking your phone, switching tabs, or daydreaming about something completely random. Why is this happening? And more importantly, how do we fix it? If you have seen my last video on why reels stole your brain, you already know how social media is hijacking our attention. But today, we're going even deeper. Because what if I told you most productivity hacks you follow are actually making you less productive? Stay till the end, because I'm going to break down the science behind why you can't focus and share the exact system to regain control of your brain. Let's be honest, we all struggle with focus, but it's not just your fault. Your brain is fighting against you. Here's why. The dopamine trap. Your brain grabs instant rewards. Every time you switch tasks or check your phone, you get a small hit of dopamine, making you addicted to distractions. This rewards your brain to seek quick wins instead of deep focus. Multitasking is a lie. You think you are being productive by doing multiple things at once? Science says the opposite. Your brain isn't built for multitasking. It just rapidly switches between tasks, which destroys deep concentration. Your environment is sabotaging you. Notifications, background noise, even the layout of your workspace. All of these secretly drain your mental energy without you realizing it. So, how do we fix this? Here's a 4-step system that actually works. Step 1. The attention reset. Your brain needs a detox. Try this. For the next 24 hours, turn off all unnecessary notifications, social media off, mail off. Just one day, you will be shocked at how much clearer your mind feels. Step 2. The 90-minute rules. Studies shows that humans focus best in 90-minute deep work sessions. Instead of trying to work for hours, set a timer for 90 minutes. Go all in, then take a break. It's like giving your brain a workout in interval. Step 3. The one-tab rule. This one's simple. Never keep more than one tab open while working. The more tabs, the more distraction. Try this for a week and you'll notice how much faster you finish tasks. Step 4. The 2-minute tricks. If your task takes less than 2 minutes to do it immediately. Small unfinished tasks pile up in your mind, making it harder to focus. Clear them out instantly and your brain will feel lighter. I used to struggle with focus a lot. I'd sit down to work, but 5 minutes later I'd be scrolling through my phone, thinking just one video, and before I knew it, an hour had passed. But once I started applying these 4 steps, everything changed. And trust me, this isn't just theory. The top 1% of performers in the world follow similar system to stay laser focused. If you try this for even a week, you'll see a massive difference in how much you get done. Now, Here's a challenge for you. Try just one of these 4 steps today and tell me in the comments which one made the biggest difference. And if you haven't already, go watch my last video on why reels stole your brain. It will help you understand why focus is so hard in the first place. Don't let distractions control your life. Take back your focus. See you in the next one.